The scene is set in a sunny park. A group of children are gathered around a patch of earth, looking puzzled with small trees and gardening tools in hand.
These trees.
I wish we knew what to do.
Hello children, can I show you how to plant trees?
Transformo is showing the children how to dig holes, place the trees in, and cover the rows with soil. The children follow his lead, each placing their own tree.
Dig a hole, put the trees in gently and cover their roots like this.
We're doing it, Transformo!
Children stayed back, admiring the newly planted trees. They all have big smiles on their faces.
Look, we planted trees.
Thank you, Transformo, for showing us how.
Great job, everyone. Now these trees will grow big and strong.